Today is a great day. I cannot tell you the number of times I've sworn to myself I will never do another book, but here we go. The unboxing of the second edition of Sort Your Brain Out. Now, I've been getting text messages all week from my dad, who somehow managed to get his hands on a copy of this book before me. And he has been full of praise. Here it is. It's the first time I've touched it. Oh, it's beautiful. And it's so lovely to see my brother's gorgeous illustrations in it. I'm so proud that I got a chance to work with him. He's a really talented guy. I mean, look at that. That's actually one of my favourite. In the brand new chapter, No Man is an Island. This was worth all of the pain, all of the self-doubt and the sorrow, because here they are, ladies and gentlemen, 10 copies of my gorgeous book. And it's there, ready for you to get whenever you're ready and learn all about how to get more out of your brain.